Welcome back to Luxe Life. Today we're taking a closer look at something that completely redefines life on the road. The 2026 Kenworth W1 Motorhome. It's not just a vehicle, it's a luxury apartment built on the strength of a heavy-duty truck. At first glance, this machine is impossible to ignore. The massive chrome grille, sculpted body, and sleek LED headlights give it a bold, commanding presence. It looks like it's built to conquer highways, but it's just as confident when the pavement ends. Under the hood, the Kenworth W1 packs serious muscle. Its turbocharged diesel engine delivers massive torque and horsepower, making it perfect for towing heavy loads while still keeping the drive smooth and steady. Paired with a 12-speed automatic transmission, it glides effortlessly on long trips. And thanks to its efficient setup, you'll spend less time refueling and more time exploring. Kenworth didn't stop there. The W1 also includes a smart hybrid system, allowing you to switch to electric power in low-speed or eco-sensitive areas. That means quieter rides, lower emissions, and a smaller environmental footprint. Now step inside, and it's like entering a 5-star suite on wheels. The interior is filled with fine leather upholstery, handcrafted wooden accents, and large panoramic windows that flood the cabin with natural light. The driver's cockpit is fully digital, featuring a futuristic dashboard, AI-powered navigation, and voice controls that let you focus on the road while the system handles the rest. The living area is designed for both comfort and convenience. There's a plush sofa that easily turns into a bed, a modern dining table that seats 6, and a full kitchen equipped with everything you need. A smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, and even a built-in coffee machine for those early mornings. Ambient LED lighting runs across the ceiling and under the furniture, letting you set the perfect mood with just a tap. The bedroom feels like a luxury hotel suite, featuring a king-size memory foam bed, underbed storage, and a private bathroom with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and high-end fixtures. There's also extra sleeping space in the loft and living area, making it ideal for families or groups. For entertainment, the Kenworth W1 includes a retractable 17-inch 4K TV, a surround sound system, and satellite connectivity so you can stream your favorite shows anywhere in the world. You'll also find USB-C and wireless charging ports throughout the cabin, along with 5G and satellite-powered Wi-Fi to keep you connected even off the grid. Outside, the W1 offers huge storage compartments for all your gear, whether it's bikes, tools, or camping equipment. Solar panels on the roof keep energy levels high, and a quiet generator provides backup power when needed. Safety is another major focus. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera for stress-free parking. Air suspension and advanced traction control make sure the ride stays smooth no matter where you go. The 2026 Kenworth W1 Motorhome is built for explorers who want it all: strength, technology, and ultimate comfort. It's more than just a motorhome. It's a moving symbol of freedom and luxury. Thanks for watching Luxe Life. If you enjoyed this look at the Kenworth W1 Motorhome, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more luxury vehicle reviews.